Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is April, also known as Thrifty and Classy, and today I am going to be showing you guys how I make a spinach and cheese quiche. It's a very easy recipe, and I'm just showing you here the ingredients that I will be using. Of course, I have the pre-made pie crust. I will use about 6 eggs for this recipe. I like to add in some bacon bits. I use the fresh baby spinach, and for this one I will use cheddar cheese. You can use any type of cheese that you prefer. Sometimes I do use Swiss cheese, but today I'm going to do the mild cheddar cheese. And I also like to use a heavy whipping cream to make my quiche. So these are all of the ingredients that I will be using today. My oven set on 375 degrees, so I'm going to place this in the oven and let it bake for about 35 to 45 minutes. Just real quick and easy. Hi guys, so here we are 35 minutes later. We have a nice dish here and it smells really good. Again, 35 minutes in the oven. I set the oven to 375 degrees. And this is just a really easy and convenient dish to have on hand, especially with the holidays approaching. If you have overnight guests, this is something you can make the day before, and when they wake up the next morning, they can either, self-service, they can cut a slice and maybe have it for breakfast or for lunch. So this is just one of those meals that will kind of make entertaining a little less stressful. But that is all I have. If you have enjoyed the video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you are new here, please make sure you click on that red subscribe button down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and be blessed.